Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder's Stash. Today I have got, well, we've been getting bigger and bigger with our airplanes, and so here's a nice big one. 1/24 scale, the old MPC P-51Mustang, and I got this for a specific reason, but beautiful aircraft. Let's take a look at this. I've never built this. Now I've had the Airfix version of this kit. I've had, or not version, but I've had an Airfix 24 scale. I don't think I've ever had this exact one here. So, ooh, it's still into plastic. How nice. Okay, let's get everything out. Put it down somewhere. And let's look at the instructions. Pretty cool. It has a little bit of the specifications about it right here. Okay, enough is enough. Jeez. Can't turn pages today. So, a little bit about it. Building a very ugly figure from back in the 70s. Getting your flight deck together. Wow, that's quite rudimentary. Your dashboard. A little bit of cockpit detail. That's good. Rudder's 2 pieces. The canopy's got a couple of different pieces. Cooling unit. Ooh, look at the engine. The engine looks good. Not sure how I want to display that. Anyway, back to the interior, because I skipped a page. Actually, the interior doesn't look bad. Have to see what kind of aftermarket stuff there is to make it look a little better, but engine really looks good too. Especially for as old as this kit is. Getting the landing gear on. Building the wings and the machine guns. That's pretty neat. We got ammo belts there. Getting the engine in. The wings on. The tail planes on. Attaching an antenna. And putting the stores on. Building and putting those on. And then paint and decal. It's going to be a big aircraft, and well, I'm actually really looking forward to this. I have a specific reason for picking this up. Wow. Now, normally these kits will run nowadays in the aftermarket. You can find them between maybe 70 and 80 up to 100, 120. Some guys I've seen that expensive on them. But around 100 seems to be the average price. Neat looking decals. I paid $50 for mine. Oh, golden opportunity kits. Yay. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. So first off, with our canopy, canopy looks great. Clear parts, and looks like we have actual vinyl-ish tires with Firestone written on it. That's pretty neat. Here's our instruments. Should put this back in its bag so nothing happens to it. Okay. That. Okay, now for the big bag of parts. And again, I like these, the old way they do this. They would put all the parts in one bag instead of individual wrapped. Yes, you get scratches and blemishes, blah, blah, blah. To me, it's never been an issue. So, wow, there's a lot to this. Okay. So, I opened it up and immediately the spinner fell out. Oh. Okay, here is the wing assembly, the bottom of the wing assembly. And the top of the wings, just make sure they're not warped, seem to be okay. The access panel's out of it, so you can look at the machine guns if you so desire. Wow, this is a big part here. Okay. Wow. These sprues are huge. So part of your pilot, your bombs, canopy, part of the fuselage here. It's like the engine cowling, part of your, I can't tell what that is. The exhaust is there. Looks like it's got 4 parts to the exhaust. That's interesting. So, there you go. That's the parts breakdown there. Here's the other part of the pilot. Yes, we will either 3D print a new one or we just won't have a pilot. How's that? Your bulkhead, instrument cluster, your ailerons, tail planes, rudder, drop tanks, machine guns look pretty good. The mod deuces. And if I were to open it up, I would just do one wing. I wouldn't have both of them open. So that means I might have some 24 scale mod deuces. How about that? Boy. I'm trying to get all the little parts out of the bag that have fallen off. Wow. Quite a few. Quite a few. Okay. Well, let's see. Looks like part of the oil cooler, I believe. The seat on it, which, yeah, we're gonna upgrade that for sure. A couple of little teeny pieces, part of the landing gear, and I don't know what this is, but I'm sure I'll find out in the instructions. Okay, some more of the tail, propellers, gear doors. And here is the other half. There's the radiator, other half the fuselage, other parts of the engine, a couple of bombs, missiles, and the engine block. And for the plastic, that's it. So anyway, it looks like kind of a little bit involved as far as the building goes. Being an MPC kit, I can't imagine it's going to fit great. So it's going to test some skills. That's good. But all in all, now I have a 24 scale P-51. And 24 is really close to 25. And in some cases close enough to go in a model car diorama. So that's why I got it. All right, folks, thank you so much, and we will see you again soon on the Kit Hoarder Stash. Bye-bye.